they're getting your receipt written up, and then you can come over here on.
Commercial fishermen spend more time on the water interacting with the local ecosystem than anybody does. They have so much long-term knowledge and perspective on what the ecosystem is doing, what the populations of marine resources, of fish and different seafood. And if you lose that, you can't bring it back later. It's also a type of knowledge that's frequently passed down between family groups or through close community mentorship. And if you lose the community, if you lose the families, who's going to share their knowledge with the next generation? It's something that would have to be brought back through trial and error. And the conditions for trial and error in today's economy, they're not there. So if we lose commercial fishing as a heritage, I think we would lose it forever. Yeah.
It's our commercial dock. We got a lot of lobster fishermen here. We run the bait boat down here, the Antoinette W. Hey! The seals are trying to jump up and grab them. This is the Stephanie. She's a lobster boat and crab boat, tuna boat in the summer when it's not the other seasons. And I'll pull up some crab for you. Check it out. They're just right here. Bam.
I think local seafood and particular places that sell it, like fishermen's markets, are super important because there's the traceability aspect. You can talk to the very people, and their families who caught the fish and brought it to you, and they'll even give advice on how to prepare it and how to store it. They're the experts in their own catch. And that sort of short food supply chain from producer to consumer is ideal when you look at longer supply chains.
So today we have an assortment of rockfish species. These are vermilion, aka red rock cod. We have salmon grouper. We have chili pepper rockfish, green spotted rockfish. There might be a couple random others in the cooler, but we try not to put them all out. Wait till they go and then restock. But basically we provide just an assortment of groundfish species. They're all similar in taste. They just have different shapes and colors is basically the only thing that differentiates them. They eat the same things. They live in the same areas. We catch them all at the same time, coexisting with one another. So they all taste similar.
Positive aspect of this is to know the source of your food because, in all the other sectors of our food, we're pretty much blind to where it comes from and how it's produced. Here, it's kind of like the last frontier of where can you go and pick your food up from its rawest source, and that's what this is. And I think it's gonna be irreplaceable, and I think it's gonna be unique and in a lot of ways give back to, I think the most naturalistic sense of, feeding your family is, go down to the ocean and pick up your next meal is there's something very special about that.